guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing shape range haul. Now I haven't done a video from their shape range in quite a while. I used to shop there all the time and then I kind of stopped for a little bit and I thought I would give it a go again. So I've got a range of items to show you guys, so let's get to it. I will just mention that everything will be linked down below in the order that I wear it for you guys, and also the size I get, because I think I'm in between like a 6 and an 8 in their Pretty Little Thing shape range, so some stuff might be a 6, some stuff might be an 8, so I'll just put down below which one's which so you can use me as a guide. But the first thing I'm going to show you guys, I actually got it in 2 colours because I liked it that much. I mean, I do that quite a lot. So this is the green one, and then this is the kind of like, I don't know what colour to call this. It's almost like a brown, but it's almost not. It's like a beigey brown. But anyway, this is one of them, and then I'll just open up this one before I show you guys. So when I try these on, I'll just try them on back to back for you. Look at this colour. I love the green one. Look! So it's kind of like a jumper dress, but it's got a corseted waist and it's like a zip up. So I thought as a lounging kind of outfit, you know, because at the moment we're all in our trackies at home, you know, working from home, that type of thing. Well, not all of us, but you know, a lot of us are. And I thought I wanted a way to jazz up what I'm wearing in the house because I don't want to feel like a slob all the time. And I thought this could be a really cute option. Like, it looks like it's still gonna like show off my figure and not be too kind of loose fitting, if that makes sense, but also very comfortable. Comfortable is key. So I got these in a size 6, which I might regret because I don't know, I'm looking at them thinking they're meant to be loungewear. I kind of wanted them a little bit loose, so I'm going to try them on and decide I might size up to the 8. But let's see how they fit. So they're identical in style, just 2 different colours. So I think, ooh, I'll put the green one on first. Okay, so this is how this one fits, and I love the colour of it and the style. I think it's nearly perfect. I just think I might go for a size bigger so the stitching here sits below, just because I think it looks a little bit strange with the corset kind of effect sitting that high. So this is the size 6, which fits lovely, but I just think maybe a size 8 will just give me that little bit extra fabric to play with. But I mean, it's gorgeous, and it's almost like a corduroy effect. It's kind of like ribbed velvet. So maybe if I go closer you'll see it. Is it going to focus for you guys? There you go. So you can kind of see it's like a corduroy rib. So it's gorgeous, and I love this colour. Like, I do really love it. And the length of it, like, it's so comfy to lounge in. But I think it's still really cute. Like, talk about cute loungewear. Gotta say, I'm not mad at this. So let me throw on the other colour, and then we can, I think, size up on this one, because a 6 fits, but it's just this stitching line. I don't know, it doesn't really show, does it? But let me know what you think. I'm not gonna lie, I think I love it in this colour as well. But I think the green just had that little bit extra for me. But this colour is gorgeous, because I've been wanting to go a bit more kind of neutrals. You know, I see it on other people and I love it, but I'm not sure, I just feel like I'm a bright colour kind of person. But I don't know, it's very cute. It's nice for loungewear, isn't it? But again, I think I'm going to try a size 8 to see if this stitching moves down just a little bit. Because I think apart from that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, the length of it's perfect, it's really comfortable. Now, this is great loungewear. I really recommend trying this because I feel so cute but so comfortable. So it's the perfect thing to kind of wear when I'm at home. So no, really like this one. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is a cute little khaki crop top. Now, you can never go wrong with kind of like basic tops, I think, and they're just, I really like simple clothes that just will go with everything. Don't get me wrong, I like outrageous stuff as well, but I thought this would look really cute in the summertime, and I was intrigued about the fabric type. It's like a stretch, and it almost looked like a corset when it was on. So this is what it looks like. This looks like it's for a 4-year-old, but obviously it's very stretchy. So if I move the tag, this is what it looks like. So it's like just a cute crop top, and then it's got, you know, it's got a fair bit of stretch in it. So let's see what this fits like. I'm not going to judge it off of a body because it might be lovely. And it's got like the lines down the front to make it look like boning, but it hasn't actually got any boning in it. So I got this in a size 6, so let's see what it fits like. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love it on, but it was so hard to get on. So there's actually not much stretch in this top. Like, there is stretch, but in terms of getting it over my head, it was painful to get on, to put it in perspective. But I did get a size 6, so maybe a size 8 would have that little bit extra stretch that just makes it easy to get on. But on, it's such a cute crop top. I love it. Like, I love how the lines go, and it's just very cute, but definitely too small for me. but I love the colour of it and the style of it. I think it's just a really kind of easy kind of basic crop top. No, I really like it, but seriously, don't go, if you're going to do anything, size up in this one, because it comes up small and it comes up tight, to say the least. But it fits very cute, so no, that's how this one looks. So sticking with the cute little crop tops, I also got this little brown one, and I just thought this is going to be so nice to throw on in the summer, super stretchy, easy to style, and I also thought it's really convenient because it folds up in this into like this tiny little ball. And for those of you who don't know, I'm currently doing an international masters, so I'm living in 4 countries, like not all at once, but it means I'm traveling all the time, so I need to live out a suitcase, and so having like items that can fold up really small is perfect for me because it means I can have more choice but still only fit into one suitcase. So I love little things like this because they're just easy and still quite stylish. So let's see what this looks like, because I'm hopeful. I like the sort of corset style, so having these lines down the front I think could be really cute. So let's put it on. So this is how it fits, and it's actually a really easy fit compared to the green one. So it looks a very similar style to the green one, but this one actually is a lot more stretchy, so it's really easy to get over my head, and I love the colour of it. I think it's really cute, and no, it's just a really easy to wear and easy to style kind of crop top, and it's going to go really nicely with my ammonite jewellery, I think. So no, I think this is just a really nice kind of basic staple crop top, I think, and I think the brown is really nice. So no, really like this one. So the next item I'm really excited for. Now, I'm obsessed with corsets and I'm obsessed with velvet, and recently obsessed with brown, and here we have a brown velvet corset, so could be promising. For those of you who don't know me, I'm obsessed with fossils, and so I do have another channel that's all related to geology and paleontology, and my favourite fossil is an ammonite, and I have actually got little ammonites in my ear, you can see them here. Oh, and an ammonite tattoo, if you're new here. But all my ammonite jewellery obviously has these lovely brown tones in it, and I've been really wanting to wear it more often, so I've been looking for like really nice brown pieces that will show off my ammonite jewellery. I know, very, very unusual of me to be picking stuff to go with necklaces, but here we are. And I saw this and thought this with a nice ammonite would just be gorgeous, but I'm a little bit worried about the sleeves. So it's a corset and then it's like off the shoulder, long sleeved, and I might be too restricted to make it work because I'm very fussy about things on my, like, off the shoulder and on my arms. If I can't move, I don't like them, and sometimes they're absolutely fine, but sometimes I just want to cut them off. So this is either going to be perfect or just not fit right. So let's just put this one on and see what it fits like. I got this one in an 8, so hopefully it's not going to be too restrictive, but you just never know with these ones. And this one does have boning in it, so it's a really nice quality corset, if you were wondering. So it's boned and it's got a nice zip up at the back. So let's see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love it. Like, I think it looks gorgeous and will be so perfect with my ammonite jewellery. I'm just not sure on the arms, so I like how they look when I'm kind of like stood still. I think the long sleeve velvet is gorgeous, but as soon as I try and do something, like the whole top kind of comes with it, so I'm not sure on the kind of restrictiveness of this top. Like, it's gorgeous, but I think I want it to fit a little different. I don't know, let me know what you think, but it definitely has potential. Like, it fits beautifully. And with like the right outfit and the right accessories, I think it will be gorgeous. I kind of feel like the arms will get a little bit annoying, maybe. Yeah, like if I just stand like this, you can see it takes the whole top with it. Let me know what you think. It definitely has potential, just maybe it needs a slightly different arm style. I'm not sure on this one. Let me know what you think. The next piece I got is also on the corset lines, but this one's a denim corset. Now, I love denim pieces as well, so denim and velvet, they're probably my favourite fabric types, that and corduroy, but I feel like corduroy comes under the velvet category. I am wearing a corduroy dress, just love it. And I saw this and I thought this could look really cute with like blue denim shorts or denim jeans in the summer, and so I thought I'd have to try it. So this is what it looks like. So it's got lots of little hook and eyes down the front, but it kind of makes a nice little like peephole window, so I thought that could look quite cute. And then it's just got a lot of darting going down the front. Only thing I would say is obviously where it's folded and they've dyed it, you've got different colours. I guess that's what it's meant to look like, but for some reason I was under the impression that this would all be the same colour. That doesn't... Wait! I think the... Ah, shit! I think the stitching's undone on this, So I think these are meant to actually be sewn together like that, because I can see, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. Can you see there's like all these dots going down either side of the fold? I think they're stitches, but the machine must have not had thread in it. I think this is unstitched. I mean, I'll see what it looks like, but I think all of these columns were meant to be stitched together. I think. Yeah, because at the base they are stitched together. They're kind of stitched with like these little 4 stitches, and you can see like down here they're just missing. So I think this is a faulty top. I'm going to try it on anyway, but looking at that, that's not quite right. So, interesting. Let's just see if it's meant to be like that, but looking at it, the fact there's the holes punched where the stitch was meant to go, I feel like it's pretty obvious, but let's have a look. So honestly, this is such a nice fitting top, but I have no idea what's going on. So here you can see the one stitch that is holding in the base of this pleat. So I don't know if they were all meant to have stitches at the base, were they all meant to be done up? But I think if they were all done up, I wouldn't be able to get into this corset. But then it's the 2 different colour blues, like I don't know what's going on, because it's like pinched in there. I'm gonna have to look back at the model on this one and see what it's meant to actually look like, because the fit of it hugs everywhere perfectly, like it's not too tight anywhere. It's just a really nice thing to wear. It is a stretch denim and it's really comfortable. So I really want this to work, you know, in the summer or the spring with the right denim kind of look. I think it's going to be so cute, and I love the square neckline, but I just don't know what's going on here. It's just not right. There's something, one way or another, something's gone wrong here, so I've just got to figure it out. But it has potential, but it's not quite there yet. I'm guessing maybe they were all meant to just have a pinch at the base and then be like open kind of darts. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but something's not right here. So the last thing I got is going to make me sad because it is a going out dress and I just don't know when I'm ever going to be able to wear it again, but I just saw it and fell in love with it. It's this little strapless number. So it looks like this, so it kind of looks like a mesh sock right now, but it is stretchy, but not super stretchy, so hopefully it'll fit. I did get it in a size 8, and normally shape range dresses are pretty good on me, so touch wood, it's going to fit. But it's got a really unusual top to it. The top part of the dress is all boned, so it's going to have some really nice structure to it, and it kind of has like these points up here. And I know these are like hit or miss having the pointed strapless design, but I love it. I just think it's something different with the neckline. So let's just put this one on and see what it looks like, and hopefully if I love it, I'll be able to wear it at some point in the future. So this is what it looks like on, and I absolutely love this one, but unfortunately it does come with a few issues. So the first thing I observe is that because it's got like a mesh overlay, I'm a bit worried about photographs that you might, you know, sometimes see like a lump here and it will look like your own silhouette, but it's really cute in person. And then also I've already noticed, like I've just put it on, but you can see where the mesh is sewn in, it's already kind of undoing. So that's why that bit's coming out, because it's ripped out the seam, and then it's done the same at the base here. It's really hard to show you guys because it is black, so it's very hard to show you what's happened, but it's really cute, and I love the built-in corset. Like, it feels really supportive and really lovely, but overall I think it just comes with a few too many issues. You know, I'd be worried about wearing this because the mesh is just gonna come apart basically, so it needs to be sewn in a little bit better for my liking. But very cute, you know, when you look at it, it's gorgeous, but it does just need a little bit more work. I expect the mesh to stay in, especially for at least the trying on session, but yeah, that's this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out. I'm always very impressed with Pretty Little Thing shape range. I know there was a few hiccups in this one, but overall their stuff is lovely, so I do recommend it. And I'm kind of in between a 6 and an 8 with them, so you can use me as a guide, but I'll link down below all the sizes I wore in each item and also my measurements if you'd like to use that, along with my social media. And if you like geology, check out my other channel. I talk a lot about rocks and fossils if you're into that, but I'll link it as well in the description box down below. But thank you again for watching, look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.